This tutorial River will show you how to make an image out of people's faces in Photoshop. Import the photo. Make a copy of the layer. Select the upper one. Select the selection tool and select your object. Once done, click on Select, Modify, Expand, give here 30, OK, and click on Edit, Fill, click here and select Content Hour, OK, and press Ctrl D to deselect. This is how we can do it. Here is the before and after result. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.